Facing the "you're following too fast" error on TikTok. This happens when TikTok spots too many follow actions happening too quickly and temporarily blocks them. But don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through how to fix the "you're following too fast" problem on your iPhone. Let's dive in and get started. Open up the Safari browser, then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu, select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box, like Dear TikTok team. Whenever I follow someone on TikTok, it said you're following too fast. Please help me to solve this problem. Then attach a screenshot of your problem, and then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. That's how you can fix the "you're following too fast" issue on TikTok on your phone. That's how you can fix the "you're following too fast" issue on TikTok on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.